know if you guys have heard of Mart, but I just got it and I'm so excited to use it. It's like you just can, like you can create it and then you can smush it. So we're gonna make it with you guys. Okay, so basically we did that 6 things for 6th grade and 3 things for 3rd grade trend. And this is one of the things I got. My brother got a bunch of other stuff. It's right there. But let's open it. As I struggle. Okay, so we opened it. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is so cool. Look. First I'm gonna pull out this thing. I think this is probably like instructions. Yeah, it's a recipe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Instructions. Right there. We got a little butter. Our maple syrup. This. Our dough. Whatever this is, I don't know. Our waffle thingy-wingy. A tray. And this thing. It's activator. Oh! I didn't have to buy that whole bottle of activator. I just got my own. There's definitely gonna be a part 2 of this, but let's lay out our mat. Perfect. I'm gonna come back and show you it. We successfully made 3 waffles. Our package. We only made 1 so far, but look how beautiful it is. I love it. By the way, I already crushed that one, but we're making the second one right now. I made 3 for some reason, but maybe there might not be a part 2. Does it look good? This is the next one. The last one, don't mind that, but let's crush them all together. So I actually crushed some of them already, and this is what we have. It's like so good, bro. Now we're about to have a humongous one. First, the butter we have to add. The extra butter. Should we add all this? Because like they say it's fine. I think it just needs activator basically. But time to crush the final